Hello and welcome to another terrific tutorial from Mrs. Watt. Today I'm going to show you about headers. So whenever I ask you to use a Google Doc, you're going to go in and open up your docs. As soon as that is open, you're going to name your doc. So click on a blank doc and bring that up. Maybe just thinking. All right, so as soon as we bring this up, I want you to title your document. This is super important. Okay, never ever not name your document. So this is header example. There we go. Okay, so it's named. As soon as I click out of that, it will name it for me. And so then I can follow that and find that forever whenever I need it. So we're going to insert. When you click on insert, you're going to scroll down to this, headers and footers. We want a header. So once you click on that, it shows you where that header is. So header is generally just the top sort of 2 to 3 centimeters of your document. I always like to hit the enter button so that my cursor is right on that top line. Left side is always your name. The center of this is going to be the title. And then on the far end, the far end is you're going to put the date. If we don't have the date, and if that happens, all I do is click back in here and backspace so that I have all of my name, my title, and my date going from left to right at the top. Now, every page that you create in your document will have this at the top. When I receive your document, and if it's multiple pages, I don't have to guess whose it is. I can see right away that it belongs to you. If you do not have a date, it means nothing. I can't see your growth if you don't have the date. So I need to know if this was done in September or January or May, because we should be able to see the growth in your writing and your work. So that is how you always put a header on any work that you do in a Google document. First steps, title it, and then the header, left to right, your name, the title, and the date. Thanks, guys.